Your aura is alive, a living field of memory, emotion, and intention. It speaks before you do. It holds what you've touched and what has touched you. This Reiki session is for the subtle body, the unseen field that holds your radiance. We are here to clear, to renew, to realign, and to restore you to your natural magnetism. Let's begin above the crown, where thoughts linger and energies hover. Feel the top of your field being swept, light flowing like the wind through silk. We are releasing mental fog, digital clutter, others' frequencies. Let it fall away. Visualize golden light cascading downward, washing your field clean. Around your head and throat. Let the stories that aren't yours dissolve. You don't need to carry the weight of perception. Feel your field recalibrate. Clarity, calm, coherence. And now your heart space. Pulse gently. Let it radiate effortlessly. Your heart is your frequency anchor. It tunes everything. Let it sing. Moving down to the solar plexus. This is where your aura holds power, confidence, boundaries, visibility. Let Reiki, this divine love energy, clear out old fear, shame, overextension. You don't need to shrink. You don't need to prove. You only need to align. Watch your field brighten, like the sun returning through clouds. At the sacral and root, we ground this light energy. So often we forget to protect the lower field. But this is where your safety lies. Your sensuality, your root resonance. Sweeping away the stagnation and cutting all energy cords, siphoning. Sending love to the old contracts, letting them be complete. And feel the lower field stabilize. Strong, soft, sovereign. You are whole. You are home. Now expanding your breath, inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Stretch your awareness beyond your body into the outer layers of your aura. Feel how far your energy truly reaches. You are not small. You are not invisible. Your light is seen in places your body has never been. Let that truth ripple through you like sacred sound across water. Your field has been cleared. Your magnetism restored. Bask in this new resonance. Notice the stillness, the expansion, the return. Take a breath into your heart. Anchor in this new frequency and allow yourself to shine. Your aura is your first language. This work, this recalibration, it echoes through timelines.
I honor God when I honor me. I honor God when I honor you. You honor God when you honor me. If you don't honor God, how could you honor me?